Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. Today let's do a DIY jewelry video. I'm gonna make a hand mala beads using 8mm amethyst beads, 24 pieces, and then one of the 10mm clear quartz bead, high quality, and two of the 8mm clear quartz bead, also high quality, and then one of the 8mm clear quartz bead with 3 holes, and 4 small bead caps, for these 2 clear quartz beads, and then a larger size but with different style for the 10mm clear quartz bead. And of course, as usual, I will use 0.8mm braided cord, brown color. Most importantly, I gotta use this one. It's an iron wire that I can shape in any form. Yeah, I will need it later. Okay, let's do it. This is my first step. Always use the silver polishing cloth to polish all the silver parts first. And remember to burn the rope with the blue fire. Okay, let's thread in the center bead first. Bead cap, 10mm clear quartz, bead cap. And then we thread in amethyst beads, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we thread in the smaller bead cap, and then 8mm clear quartz, and then the bead cap. Yeah, some people may ask, is there any meaning for the quantity of the beads? Actually, no. I just love to use the combination of like 3, 6, 9, 12. I don't know why, but I just love it. And it's just my way. Yeah, you can use your way to make different style. Okay. Okay, right now we need these 2 cords. Go in this bead and then come out from this large hole. So I will use this wire to help me. See that? When you do the other side, you can hold the cord like this. Be sure it won't be moving around. It's easier. And if you have an easier way, please share with me. I would like to learn. And then let's make a braided knot right here. Okay, the last step, you can add some smaller amethyst beads right here to make it like a tassel or something. Maybe 5 beads look better. Okay, let's do 5 beads. Okay, it's done. I'm just sharing my own way. You can use your way to make different styles of hand mala beads or make for your customers. If you want similar silver parts, please go to my website gemandsilver.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.